For this assignment, you are asked to print out the sheet called Monthly Finances. One of the things when printing, say, from Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, what you see on the screen typically is what prints out. However, for Excel, you must always, I repeat, you must always set up the document before you hit print to make sure that you get a good printout. In this case, what we will do is we will go to page layout and we will, for example, set the orientation, in this case, to landscape because our document is wide. The next thing that we can do is we can set our scale. So for our width, we want it to be 1 page long. Nice. Now, one of the things we should also always do is go to the print button and take a look at the print preview so that we know that we fits. And from there, we go Microsoft Print to PDF. We hit print, and there we've got the workbook that we need.